Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying at home. So this is our first module for you that is related to artificial intelligence, and I hope you all are excited to learn and explore more related to this. Before you start learning what is artificial intelligence, you should be first clear with what is human intelligence. So, you all know that humans have brain, and because of that brain only we are intelligent. So, these are the few examples which shows the intelligence present in the human being, like when the human is able to learn something very fast or to decide a course of action he or she wants to take for solving a problem, and could be giving correct answers to the questions, could be making innovative things, could be anything. So these are the few examples that what is human intelligence. So we can define human intelligence in many ways. Some common aspects across various definitions includes the ability to observe, recognize and understand information, then the ability to make smart decisions in order to solve problems, and last but not the least is the ability to learn and increase knowledge. So these are the following things which are involved when we are talking about human intelligence, and the agents who can perform all these functions, like we can say a person who is able to do decision making, who can take appropriate action, can recall something, can form groups, can gather information, analyze it, evaluate it. So those people or agents are known as intelligent agent. So we can summarize that intelligence is the capacity to learn from experiences, it's an ability to adapt to different contexts, and it is the use of metacognition to enhance learning. Now moving further to what is artificial intelligence, it's same like I told you about human intelligence. Like humans are intelligent, suppose if we make a machine, the one that could take his or her own decisions, can act as an artificially intelligent machine. So, an artificial intelligence is the ability to imitate like human beings. Now, when we talk about imitation, that means a machine can behave like a human. Now, what is the difference between a human and a machine, that we have to understand? Like, machines can speak, can recognize some languages, can have visions, can do decision making, can do solve problems. It's the ability to show emotions, to predict something. So all these abilities, if there are in machines, so a machine is then termed as an artificially intelligent machine, or this is defined as artificial intelligence. Are some of the applications of artificial intelligence. Now, I have just given the pointers, and we all need to understand how artificial intelligence is used in all these fields. Like, you all must be aware that in education we have started with robotics teachers, wherein there's a teacher, I mean to say there's a robot who has replaced a teacher. So this is how artificial intelligence is coming into education, like a robot standing in the class predicting what his or her students doing and how they are going to perform, and behaving just like a teacher, showing all the emotions, showing all the things what a teacher can do, and probably better than that, because it's a machine and it learns from experiences, and it has the ability to recall as much information as a normal human being could not. Now if I talk about business, they are used for analysis, they are used for evaluation and finances, it is used to evaluate the stock market, it is used in various decision making processes. In manufacturing, it's the work which a human cannot do, it can be done through a machine. And in healthcare, you must have seen prosthetic arms and all the devices that are being coming up, which are used to solve a problem, to do surgeries, to predict the course of actions for the doctor. And you must have seen, like This is a situation when we are under lockdown. So China used robots to serve medicine. So all these things are examples of artificial intelligence. Now, coming up to this is basically a difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So what is machine learning? It is when a machine starts learning something. Now, how will the machine learn? Machine will analyze some trends, some patterns. Like you all must be using different apps like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. to order your products. So, based on your past orders, the app provides you with the orders that you are your order. This is how a machine acts as it's learning. So it is learning from you only. It's learning what is given with the help of data. It analyzes the data, it makes some relation, and then it gives some suggestion. This is a task for you, a thing you have to imagine, and this is the motive behind conducting all these sessions, because we want our students to start thinking, start imagining, and start innovating something for themselves and for the community. So this is an imagination activity in which you need to think about any device, any object, any place, or anything you wish to be, maybe your home, and even, or maybe your favorite toy, anything. So you just need to make that thing or the object or the device intelligent. You have to make that imagine that thing. If what could that thing be if it becomes intelligent? Suppose I have given three examples, like there could be an intelligent pen, it could be an intelligent classroom, or it could be a swimming pool, or it could be anything, your favorite toy, and etc. Pen, you just open it and you throw it, you write it, you keep it in your pencil boxes. That's one thing. Suppose if you have an intelligent pen, so imagine all these things that pen could be able to do. So you have to just take a paper and just draw the object, just annotate what all things you expect that object to do, and after doing all these things, what you do is you need share it on this link. I have created a share. Just upload your image by giving your name and class, and it's not a compulsion for you to do it. It's just an interactive activity which all of you will enjoy, and probably I'll plan a class in which we can discuss what all you have drawn and what are your thought processes. Thank you.